आजादी के जश्न में डूबा रहा, लेकिन सिटी ऑफ जॉय के नाम से मशहूर कोलकाता राजनीति का केंद्र बिंदु बना हुआ था। स्वतंत्रता दिवस की पूर्व संध्या पर करीब 12 बजे सैकड़ों प्रदर्शनकारी मृतक के सपोर्ट में, आपको बता दें, अस्पताल के भीतर जाकर उन्होंने तोड़फोड़ की और इसके बाद अचानक आई भीड़ ने धरना प्रदर्शन पर उपद्रव करने के साथ साथ आरजीकर अस्पताल के अंदर और बाहर काफी तोड़फोड़ मचाई। अराजकता के कारण शांतिपूर्ण प्रदर्शन आधी रात को बाधित हुआ। उपद्रवियों ने बैरिकेड्स तोड़े, पुलिस अधिकारियों और पीसीआर वैन पर पथराव किया और एक बाइक में भी आग लगा दी। प्रदर्शन के हिंसक होने के बाद पुलिस ने हालात को काबू में करने के लिए प्रदर्शनकारियों पर आंसू गैस की गोली छोड़े, लेकिन हिंसक भीड़ पुलिस के कंट्रोल से बाहर होती गई। हिंसक भीड़ ने अस्पताल के इमरजेंसी वार्ड में तोड़फोड़ की। फर्नीचर, बेड, फ्रिज, सीसीटीवी कैमरे समेत सामान को नुकसान पहुंचाया। देखिए हमारी सहयोगी की ग्राउंड से रिपोर्ट।
While the city was witnessing silent protest and protest marches across the city against the brutal rape and murder of a doctor of RGKar Medical College and Hospital, an irate mob entered the RGKar Hospital, and you can see behind me they've left behind a trail of destruction. These are the barricades that were put up right outside the main gate of the RGKar Medical College and Hospital. This irate mob entered into the hospital and they attacked the protesting doctors here. You can see this is the stage and the dais where the doctors have been protesting past several days. Junior doctors, resident doctors, interns, nursing staff, they have been all protesting against brutal rape and murder of their colleague. And this irate mob which entered here, they ran amok inside the hospital. They broke down and vandalized this entire stage, this entire bamboo scaffolding and the chairs. Later on, they came prepared and there were some pre-planned, this is what the security guard is saying, that they came prepared. Mob entered the emergency building. First of all, they pulled down this entire board that was up and they ransacked the entire emergency department. All of the beds, all of the lights, fans, nothing was spared, and you can see how they vandalized all the glass. You can see there's glass, and you can see how these glasses have been completely shattered, broken. And you can see how these glasses have been completely shattered, broken. They have in fact damaged. The department were in fact vandalized by this particular mob. You can see they vandalized all of these and they entered into this male ward, and you can see they have overturned the beds. They haven't spared even the beds which are used by the patients, all of the equipments that are used by the patients. And you can see there's no light at this point in time. It's completely dark here because they have vandalized the lights and the fans. Nothing is spared. As we enter this emergency department, which was not functioning past few days because of the strike which was called by the resident doctors and all the other staff of RGKar Medical College who had joined, but slowly and steadily they were functioning and they were to get back to service. And that is when you can see they have overturned this particular fridge as well. They have overturned this table. All of the medicines and the ampules and syringes or whatever is required for the patients is stored here is completely ransacked, vandalized, damaged. This is the nursing station of the emergency department. You can tell the extent of damage that this particular mob has left behind. All that is left here is just a trail of destruction, and you can see everywhere this particular mob went amok. They ransacked everything and anything that they had access to. Thereafter, they tried to enter the departments, but for the longest period of time, police was trying to prevent them from entering. But the biggest question is that when heinous crime like this happens, when an on-duty doctor was raped and murdered, what was the police doing?